My name's Nick Danford. I'm with Access Communications. Have you ever received a quote that included not only material costs and labor, but also included 7 years of operational costs? My guess is probably no. It's an interesting norm, being that materials and labor only accounts for about 30% of an overall project cost. The other 70% being ongoing operational costs, including power, air conditioning of your servers, memory, bandwidth, maintenance, monitoring, and all the staff that are associated with that. And the ones that nobody really accounts for is system downtime, blackouts, or those expensive analytics that you're paying for with missed detections and failed detections. This is why total cost of ownership is really important. And this is also why Access has added an application to a site designer where we can simulate those ongoing costs. Total cost of ownership will look at industry norms and benchmarks when it comes to how much it costs to power the system over time with air conditioning and all of those things, and it will include that into an overall number of what it will look like in 5, 7, and 10 years. Access, we really do care about total cost of ownership over time to give our customers a real inside look at not just the upfront price, but your overall spend over the lifetime of a product.